My name is Flint Holbrook, president and founder of TruckSpy. I want to talk about what is an IVMR, Individual Vehicle Mileage Report. Our FedEx Contractor customers are already going to be really well familiar with an IVMR, but I want to talk about it a little bit, and this will be really useful for those of you that don't know what it is. So an IVMR is a list of jurisdictional miles that have truck traveled throughout time. So as you can see, here's one. This particular truck went 196 miles in the state of Florida on the first line. It had a beginning odometer of 972,709 miles, ending odometer in Florida of 972,905. So you can see that here on the first line. And then notice he crosses into Georgia, and the beginning odometer in Georgia is the same as the ending odometer in Florida. So the miles that he actually ran, the distance he ran in Florida or Georgia, is the difference between that beginning and that ending odometer reading. So this is a really important tool for calculating IFTA. So IFTA is the International Fuel Tax Agreement. So how that works is basically when your trucks run miles in different states, they buy fuel in other states. Well, they pay taxes in some and not in others, and the states want to even all up. There's a video link in the footer below that talks a lot more about IFTA. But at the end of the day, you file this big IFTA return every quarter that shows the total number of miles your trucks ran in each state and the total number of gallons that they purchased in each state, and then calculates your tax due or tax owed. So if you get audited for IFTA, the auditor is going to want to see a detail of how the miles in that summary report are calculated. And that's where the IVMR comes in. The IVMR is the backup material that you hand the auditor to prove that your mileage totals are correct on your IFTA return. So that's the value of the IVMR. Now, in the old days, drivers used to do these by hand. Our software at TruckSpy automates that process, so we'll use a GPS off the truck to actually make the IVMR. And so what's really nice about this is that it builds you an IFTA return that's fully auditable, all the way down to the odometer readings when your trucks cross state lines. This is a phenomenally powerful tool to easily walk through an IFTA audit.